ready start. It has been more than a year now since the world and India have been engaged in a continuous battle against the COVID-19 pandemic. Full stop. Despite many constraints, India successfully controlled this pandemic during the last 1 year through a well calibrated strategy. Full stop. We have to continue the battle with the same agility and momentum as we did earlier. Full stop. The proven and reliable strategy of increased testing, comprehensive tracking, effective treatment and enforcement of COVID appropriate behavior needs to be implemented with renewed vigor to counter this virus. Full stop. Para. It is indeed a matter of concern that there is a high growth of new COVID-19 cases in the country within a short period of time, especially in 10 states that account for 85% of national cases and 89% deaths reported in the last 14 days. Full stop. Around 120 districts are reporting high surge in cases since last 1 month. Full stop. With such rising numbers, the healthcare infrastructure will inevitably come under tremendous pressure. Full stop. Para. The challenges is formidable, but we are better prepared today than we were last year. Full stop. We have ramped up infrastructure over the course of past 1 year. Full stop. We now have vaccines which are safe and effective. Full stop. We are more confident because of our successful implementation of test, track and treat strategy in the past. Full stop. Para. We know that we can control the spread of the virus with the support of the community. Full stop. Encouraging and enforcing COVID appropriate behavior had held us curb earlier surges. Full stop. We must constantly and consistently focus public attention to this vital aspect. Full stop. As the constitutional head of state, every honorable governor has an important role in our fight against this pandemic. Full stop. It is necessary for honorable governors to collaborate actively with their respective honorable chief ministers and act as consensus builders going beyond party lines. Full stop. Para. As earlier suggested by the Honorable Prime Minister, an all-party meeting will help in brainstorming new ideas, sharing of knowledge and exchange of best practices and effective understanding of field concerns and various perspectives. Full stop. This will help us accelerate the overall COVID-19 management efforts. Full stop. Keeping political differences aside, we have to act unitedly as a team. Full stop. Para. One of the most useful lessons we have learnt during the last year is that we have succeeded in our fight against COVID-19 mainly because of collaborative work. Full stop. Every person, every stakeholder, every institution has shown remarkable grit. Full stop. Para. The honorable governors can act as potential agents of change and supplement the honorable chief minister by encouraging more partners to contribute to this fight. Full stop. Educational institutions, civil society organizations, philanthropists and corporate houses have become active partners during the last 1 year, full stop. We must continue to associate them during this second wave as well, full stop, para. We are passing through an unprecedented health crisis, full stop. It is having a profound impact on the lives and livelihoods of people, full stop. The government led by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been periodically reviewing the ground realities and have been putting in place a number of social safety measures, full stop. We must ensure that the benefits of these initiatives reach those who are in need of them.